Hi guys! My name is Tardy Patlanag at ako yung magbibigay sa inyo ng kaunting kalaman tungkol sa Pinggang Pinoy. Let's first define the Pinggang Pinoy. Pinggang Pinoy is a visual food guide from the Food and Nutrition Research Institute of the Philippines that uses a plate model to show the right proportion of food groups for each meal, which is the Go, Grow, and Glow. To promote healthy Filipino eating habits, it divides a meal into sections for energy-giving carbs, bodybuilding proteins, and glow-giving fruits and vegetables, encouraging balance and sugar fatty foods. Ngayon naman is kung makikita nyo dito is ito na nga yung pinggang Pinoy natin. Ito yung eggs, tomatoes, and yung bread natin. So, first of all, kailangan na muna natin ma-define kung ano nga ba yung mga nutrients na nakukuha natin galing dito sa pinggang Pinoy na ito. Unang-una is yung sa bread. Yung sa bread is mostly carbohydrates, the primary nutrients, providing energy mostly in the form of starch. May konting protein din to, contributing to daily intake. May konting fat, generally low in fat through Mounts Berry. And high in fiber din to, crucial for digestion. Whole grain breads are significantly higher in fiber. One is yung eggs. Alam naman natin na yung eggs is a good source of protein, approximately 13 grams per egg. And it has an essential amino acid. And meron din tong fats, but it's healthy fats. And it has an antioxidant that supports our eye health. Next one is ang ating tomatoes, which is high in vitamin C that supports our immune system, vitamin K that supports our bone health, vitamin A for our vision, and folate for cell growth. For the minerals, good source of potassium for blood pressure, magnesium, calcium, and iron. And it has an antioxidant loaded with lycopene. Yeah, it helps for cancer or heart protection, beta-carotene, and lutein. It has a macronutrients, mostly water, low in calories, fat, and sugar with moderate carbs and fiber. Ang pinggang Pinoy ay isang madaling intindihin at praktikal na gabay sa malusog na pagkain para sa mga Pilipino. Gamit ang larawan ng pinggan, inirekomenda ito ang balansing bahagi ng mga pagkain na naaayon sa lokal na kultura at pangangailangan na nakakatulong na pigilan ang malnutrisyon at malubhang sakit at palakasin ang pangmatagalang kalusugan.